Good morning, Madam and Sir. I'm Wei Hong, a master's student from National Changhua University of Education in Taiwan, and my major is Human Resource Management. Today, I'm going to present the article subject, How does psychological resilience regulate work stress in workplace? The relationship association among work-family conflict, work stress, and work performance. Our research team members, all from National Changhua University of Education, are Jijie Lin, Renzhen Wang, Min Shi, and me. This page is the table of contents. Firstly, we know that COVID-19 made our life become changed in recent years, such as work at home. Therefore, work pressure, work-family conflict becomes an issue. On the other hand, our research literature survey shows over 85% of workers around the world need responsibilities from their families. For the research importance and contribution, we list 3 points. This study can complement the insufficiency of the previous theory and explore the relationship between variables. This study uses work stress as a mediator to explore the impact of work-family conflict on work performance and through work stress. This study suggests that companies should pay more attention to the management of employees' psychological stress and conflict. For the research question and purpose, also list 3 points. 1. To explore the relationship between work-family conflict and work performance. 2. To explore the effect of psychological resilience moderator on work-family conflict and work stress. 3. To explore the mediating effect of work stress on the relationship between work-family conflict and work performance. According to the literature research, we draw the research hypothesis. The hypothesis 1 is work-family conflict positively affects work stress. The hypothesis 2 is work-family conflict negatively affects work performance through work stress. The hypothesis 3 is psychological resilience can interfere effect of work-family conflict on work performance. The hypothesis 4 is work-family conflict negatively affects work performance. And this is our research model. For the method, sample, and procedure, use anonymous questionnaire to do the research. 1. Not limited to specific industries. 2. Working for more than 1 year. 3. 135 questionnaires are expected to be distributed. For the method measures, all use a 5-point Likert scale and Cronbach alpha higher than 0.8. $158 questionnaires were collected, After deducting 49 invalid questionnaires, 109 valid questionnaires are collected and used SPSS and Lizrael to do the statistical analysis. Confirmatory factor analysis shows work-family conflict was negatively correlated with work performance and psychological resilience, and positively correlated with work stress. Job stress was negatively correlated with psychological resilience and job performance. Psychological resilience was positively correlated with job performance. And use hierarchical regression analysis to research the relationship between the mediation effect of work stress. We adopted 3 steps to examine intermediary effect from Barrow and Kenny in 1986. First, we confirmed that the work-family conflict and work stress can predict work performance separately. Secondly, we confirmed that work-family conflict can predict work stress. At the same time, after regression analysis of work-family conflict and work stress, check whether the prediction effect of work-family conflict on work performance is weakened by the addition of work stress. For interference effect of psychological resilience, first, we standardized the independent variable and moderator variable to avoid collinearity. Then we set the independent variable, moderator, and the intersection of the two as entering the regression formula, and conduct hierarchical regression analysis with work stress as a dependent variable. Then we confirm whether the regression of the multiplier of work-family conflict and mental toughness on the dependent variable is significant. Therefore, here are results of our research. The hypothesis 1 and hypothesis 2 are valid due to our results, and others are not valid. In summary, we suggest enterprise can establish psychological counseling courses, regularly caring about employee status, establish welfare policies such as child care policies, and implement stress management strategies.